Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will assemble this acrylic shelf that I bought from Amazon. I was thinking that it was a good idea to buy this one and make elevated shelves for the 1:64 scale. So let's assemble it. So I bought two. I think this one is 3 layers, but I bought two for $30, I think. Yeah, it's a 2 pieces, 3 tier. So they have these stands. So this is for one, this is for the other one. And this is the acrylic shelf. This is clear, just have a plastic layering on it, and I think it's 11 inches, 11.2 or 5 something. Yeah, and this one, let's measure it. 11.5 by 3 inches. Let's assemble one first. So it's done. You just need to peel off the protective plastic and it's good to go. So it's ideal for 1:64 scale model cars and some action figure, small action figure if you have. Oh, this plastic is so sticky. There are also some few extra foot if you're gonna miss something. Also some screws. So let's try it on. Let's put some 1:64 scale there. So you can put your cars like straight, so you can fit more, or you can put it like sideways to make it more presentable like that. And I think you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars here. But if you're putting it straight, you can put, I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, maybe 9 or 8, not if not too crowded. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys find this helpful, and hope you guys like it. It's gonna be on Amazon. It's not my Amazon shop, but someone else. You can search it there. It's acrylic shelves or acrylic stand shelvings. You can find a lot of choices there, which one you prefer. There's also 4-tier, and there's also short, like 8 inches. So I choose this one because it fits perfectly on my detail shelf. So hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Bye.